Hello everyone, this is Binay back again with a new video. In this video, we are going to do the unboxing for the Acer Aspire 3, which is a kind of upper budget laptop, comes with the decent specifications. It's available on Flipkart, so let's do the unboxing and have a look over it. I bought this laptop for a price of 39,000. I have the links in the description area. If you want to purchase this laptop, you can have a look over there also. Also, I will leave the links for some other laptops which are good or which comes with a decent specs in the similar price range. Now let's move to the specifications of the laptop. This laptop comes with a Intel Core i5 8th generation processor, which is clock speed at 1.6 GHz and which can turbo boost up to 3.4 GHz. It comes with 8 GB of RAM, 1 TB of hard drive. It has a NVIDIA GeForce MX130 2GB graphics card, Windows 10 Home 64-bit, 2 memory slots, display is Full HD LED backlit, and the weight is 2.1 kgs. It comes with a DDR4 RAM and the RPM is 5400. So here we have the box. Now let's open the seal and check what's inside. Looks like there's another box inside the box. Packaging seems to be good. So here we have the laptop itself. It has a good packing. Like on both sides, we have a thermocol or foam packaging, which prevents the laptop from damage during the transportation. It's a travel adapter, a cable to connect travel adapter to power, some user manual and warranty documentations. One thing to note that this laptops comes with a international traveler's warranty. So if you are traveling outside India, then no need to worry regarding the warranty. You can get the warranty as well. Now let's look at the laptop itself. Let's remove the packaging and take this out. It has a matte finish. On the back we have a serial number, vents for the air and all. Now let's open this up. A full size keyboard with a dedicated number pad. Looks good. And a full size trackpad also. On the left side we have Kingston lock, Ethernet port, a HDMI port, a USB port and a card slot. On a front side, we have nothing. On the right hand side, we have 3.5 mm headphone jack, two USB 3.0 ports, LED and power lights, a charging port. On the back side, we have a ear vents. So here we are booted now. So that's it now for this unboxing and first look for the Acer Aspire 3. If you like my video, don't forget to give it a like. Also, please subscribe to my channel, and if you are planning to buy, use my links in the description. It does help the channel. Also, there is a similar laptops in the description area. Thank you.